That was a grungy graphics card. What? A grungy graphics card. Why grungy? Was minging. Oh. Dirty. Everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Right, so today we are going to look at refurbishing your GPU. So if temperatures are getting a little bit high, then we're going to look at how you can reapply your thermal paste on the GPU to help bring those temperatures back down, and just generally give it a quick clean up and get it back to sort of factory condition, so that those temperatures are a little bit better. Got my little handy toolkit. What we're going to do is we're going to take the cooler off the graphics card. So we're going to separate the PCB from the fan and the heatsink, and then we're going to see the state of the thermal paste. So it's probably only about a year ago that I cleaned this up and reapplied the thermal paste on this particular card. Now this card is about 4 years old and it served me quite well in that time. So things to note when you're separating these: obviously make sure you disconnect the fan header. So there's our graphics card there. A nice little heat spreader for the VRMs there. It's a little bit dusty. What we're going to do is we'll give it a blast with some compressed air. We'll clean the die up with some isopropyl alcohol. This needs a little bit more. It seems to have dried out quite a lot. It's not massively dry, but it definitely needs some reapplication. So once you've cleaned up the die on the GPU, you should have this nice shiny metal surface, and then I think we'll use a little bit of thermal grizzly here. So all I'm going to do is plug this fan back in, like so. We're going to try and line this back up. See if you're taking down the processor, your fan on the processor. You want to do one sort of way, you want to do a little bit cross over, and make the crisscross fan. I'm going to tighten that all the way. So we'll use some point. That's it. Good to go for another day. One refurbished graphics card. If you've got any questions, then leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to get notified when we release a new video. We'll see you in the next one. That was a grungy graphics card. What? A grungy graphics card. Why grungy? Was minging. Oh. dirty.